What's going on, Tube? You already know it's your boy Sir V, aka that OG, back with another one on that ass. So, what I wanted to point out to you guys is now I got an O2 sensor extender. This is for the Ultima. Just wanted to add this on my channel just in case anybody did do the header swap on a 2.5 Ultima and you were still getting a check engine light. This will definitely help get that out of there, as far as moving the O2 sensor farther away from the exhaust so the car can get those different readings, so a check engine light will not be tripped because there is nothing wrong with your exhaust. It's just that the O2 sensor on the bottom, as you can see right here, it needs to be farther away so it can give different signals rather than your O2 sensor here. Let's just snatch this out, install this, and then we will double check and see what it looks like. But yeah, I went with the 90-degree angle extension. Let's see how it holds up. I'm gonna actually take this portion off. And just go like this. See how this works out. So let's get it. So, just wanted to show you how to final product. This is what it should look like when you have the 90-degree extension on. I had to just adjust it because leaving this exactly tightened up here without getting it over the play. Boy Sir V, aka that OG. Just wanted to hit y'all with that final part to show y'all the actual installation, what it looks like, how your shutup should look. You already know, just trying to keep y'all in the loop. So this should definitely help you with the check engine light with the O2 sensor extender. If you found this helpful in any way, hit that subscribe button. Like, share, comment, subscribe. You already know, your boy Sir V, aka that OG, Abuse VQ. Let's go.